Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Training Center. In today's video, we will providing an overview of Salesforce Training Center and what we offer. Okay, so let's dive in. Slide, who is eligible for a software development course? So our software course development courses are open to everyone, like recent graduates, whoever the recent pursuing the graduate and experienced professionals considering a career change uh, from both IT and non-IT backgrounds. Okay, and anyone interested in building software skills or pursuing a passion for software development, you can eligible for this taking a software development course. Okay, and no matter your background, if you are interested, you are eligible to join a software course with us. Okay, so this is who are eligible to take software development course. Okay, so next slide. And this slide goes to courses we offer at Salesforce Training Center. We provide a variety of software courses, including Salesforce admin and also Salesforce developer and HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. Okay, we are provide these four courses. Okay, so these courses are designed to give you skills and experience needed to excel in the software industry. Okay, so this is the what we offer courses. Okay, so next our training benefits we offer to you. So we offer comprehensive support to make sure each our students succeed, including comprehensive training like to build a strong foundation, and we provide study materials to assistance your learning and daily assignments to reinforce knowledge. And also, we provide real-time projects for hands-on experience, and we can conduct the bi-monthly interviews, practice sessions to boost your confidence. And one more feature, we have provide one-to-one weekly overviews to ensure personalized guidance and resume preparation assistance, and also we provide course completion certificate upon your finishing course, and also 100% placement assistance to help you secure a job. Okay, so these are all our training benefits to student. And one more feature we are providing to you, job board portal. One of our standout feature is our job board portal. We understand that job searching can be confusing and overwhelming for students. So to address this, we have created a dedicated job board where students can find roles that match their skills and easily apply. Okay. Using this job board portal, and simply visit our official website page, and on that click on the job board tab and explore job openings tailored to your expertise. Okay, so here the roadmap to visit our website. Okay, so first of all, visit our Salesforce Nest Training Center website official page, and here see here the job board tab. So click on that. So see here in this page, you're all visible job board notifications. Okay, you can just click on that apply button. You will redirect the like job board and job URL. Okay, so and so any questions about our courses or fees or duration? So please don't hesitate to contact us. We are help to you and eager to assist you. Okay. So I hope everyone understand this overview of the Salesforce Training Center, what we offer. So thank you for watching this video. Uh, Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please share and your friends to help us reach more people. Okay. So thank you. If you have any queries, so please contact these. Mobile number or email number, okay, or email address. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you.